Welcome to Australia's Coin Sport Challenge. It's a lovely day for coin cricket. Team Blue taking on Team Red. We'll run you through these rules as we play, so you can be hitting sixes in no time. Important inspection of the ball there, Blue. First, the important flip of the coin. The winner can choose to bat or bowl. Then, on a large piece of paper, draw a circular boundary line with a rectangle in the middle as the pitch. And then set up one bottle cap and the coin as bat and ball. The batting player sets up the wickets with 3 fingers at the end of the pitch. The bowler then flicks the coin towards the wickets to achieve an out. How's that? The batter uses the bottle cap to hit the coin towards the oval to score a boundary. Oh, nice slide over the rope. The batter swaps over when they are bowled out, or they face a full over of 6 bowls. And Blue takes the day. The game ends when each player has faced 3 overs. Marvellous. Simply marvellous. Now it's your turn for ultimate sports glory.